Hello everyone. Based on requests from parents and students to revisit some topics that the students have forgotten and is presently affecting them in their classes, I've decided to select some questions to help their foundation. The first one is, write the prime factors of the following numbers: A 18, B 15, C 45, and D 81. Before I further, there's a huge difference between prime factors and ordinary factors. Factors are those numbers that can divide another number without remainder. But the prime factors are the prime numbers from those factors. That means after knowing the factor that can divide through a particular number, the prime numbers among that factors are the prime factors. And to get that, we have two different methods. Solution. Method 1. Now for A, 18. Write out the factors of 18. 1 and 18. 1 times 18 will give us 18. Another one we have 2 and 9. 2 times 9 will give us 18. Then we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6 will give us 18. You rearrange. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now, prime factors is what they asked for. They didn't say factor. Prime factor. So you write out the prime factor. Prime factors will be prime numbers here. Please, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers with only two factors, 1 and itself. They are those sets of numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself only. So the prime factors that we have here, they are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Therefore, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 18. Now, method 2 for this same question. Method 2. Draw a table, put 18. What is the first number that can divide 18? Please, your divisors are your prime numbers. And I always advise students right at the corner. You have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. This set of divisors, they are prime numbers. These divisors are prime numbers. So right at the corner of your book, try them one after the other. Because a lot of students make mistakes. They just try from any number that comes to their mind. But please, when you are answering a question like this, you start from the small number, that the smallest number, before you try the bigger number, and it goes like that. Please don't start from 3 before you then end up with 2. It's a taboo. What you need to do is start with 2. When 2 can no longer divide, then you move to 3. When 3 can no longer divide, then you move to 5. So now let's continue. Is 2 a factor of 18? Yes. We try 2. 2 into 18, 9. 2 can no longer go because this is a prime. This is an odd number. 2 cannot divide any odd number. So we try 3. Is 3 a factor of 9? Yes. 3. 3 in 9. 3. 3 and 1. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors. Your prime factors, we have 2 and 3. This again is different from product of its prime factor or product of its prime numbers. So we say product of the prime numbers or product of the prime factors. When they say product, that is when you say 2 times 3 times 3. But when they ask for prime factors, you can't write 2 times. So just pick the prime numbers that you use. And what the prime numbers that you use in dividing this, you have only 2 and 3. This is very, very important. Please, student note. The B part, we have 15. For question 15, let's try method 1. For the first method, write out 15. What are the factors that can divide 15? First of all, 1 and 15. For 1 times 15 will give you 15. Then, we have 3 and 5. 3 times 5 will give you 5 now. And that is all. When you go through this, 7 cannot go, 9 cannot go, 11 and all that cannot go. So now we have factors. You rearrange. 1, 3, 5, and 15. Now, prime factors. What are the prime factors? Here, we have 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Now, for question 45. Okay, for method 2. Before I skip it. Method 2. Tabular form. You have your 15. 2 is not divisible by 15 because 15 ends with an odd number. 15 is an odd number, and the last digit is 5, which is an odd, which is yes, an odd number. So now we try. What else can go? 3. 3